Hey Tesla lovers, how's everyone doing? I'm Malachi Greb, the CEO of Elite Automation and your host on the MG channel. Today, I've got groundbreaking shifts from Tesla's strategic playbook that's signaling a massive pivot from cars to robots and reshaping the future of manufacturing. Let's dive right in. Tesla CEO Elon Musk dropped a bombshell during the company's Q4 2025 earnings call on January 28, 2026, announcing that production of the flagship Model S sedan and Model X SUV will wind down starting next quarter, with a complete halt expected by Q2 2026. This decision stems from declining sales for these luxury models, which, along with the Cybertruck, accounted for only 50,050 deliveries in 2025, a staggering 40.2% drop year over year. The move will free up assembly lines at Tesla's Fremont, California factory, originally acquired from GM and Toyota's joint venture, to be repurposed for high-volume manufacturing of the Optimus humanoid robot. Musk called it an honorable discharge for the S and X, emphasizing Tesla's bold pivot toward autonomy, robotics, and physical AI products like robotaxis. The repurposed Fremont facility is targeted to produce up to 1 million Optimus units annually, marking a significant shift from automotive to robotics production. Tesla plans to convert the space into a dedicated Optimus hub, potentially adding workers and establishing a new supply chain to support the ramp up, with the first production line aiming to be operational before the end of 2026. This aligns with Tesla's broader strategy amid a 46% drop in annual profits to $3.8 billion in 2025. Its worst in years, and as the company bets big on emerging technologies to drive future growth despite current low revenue from robotics. Existing Model S and X owner and will continue to receive full support, but the phase-out underscores these models' reduced role in Tesla's portfolio, overshadowed by higher volume vehicles, like the Model 3 and Y, from phasing out icons to ramping up robots. Tesla is all in on the AI revolution. What do you think? Is Optimus the key to Tesla's next trillion-dollar chapter? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe for more MG news on cutting-edge automation and tech breakthroughs.